Assalamu alaikum. This is me Ali Jan from Government College University Lahore. Today I'll be naming few of the most important complexes, and I recommend you to please pick up your pen and start naming the complexes along with me. So the first complex that I'll be naming is hydrogen and osmium, water. It's actually hexa aqua, so I have to write it outside the bracket. So when we come now we come towards like giving the oxidation states. So water shows 0, osmium shows -4. So overall the complex is neutral. So the name of this compound is hydrogen. Hexa aqua, because it's osmium and we have to write it osmate because it's negatively charged, like the complex inside the bracket is negatively charged, so we have to write ATE at the last of the name. So the second complex is hydrogen, ruthenium, dicyanido. It's basically tetra. So when we come towards giving the oxidation states, so it becomes -4, plus hydrogen is +4, and it's not tetra, it's the compound is hexa. So the overall charge becomes -6, and to neutralize the complex we have to give +2 charge to the central metal atom, so it becomes overall neutral. The name of this compound is hydrogen hexacyanido. We can name it cyano as well. Ruthenate 2. Again, it's because the complex inside the large bracket, square bracket, is negatively charged, so we have to write ATE at the last of the name. Now the third complex is sodium. It's simple compound. It's like sodium. Let me change the color. Sodium is +1, and it's hydride, and hydride shows negative charge, -1. So overall it becomes boron shows +3. Overall it becomes neutral. So we have to name it like it becomes sodium boron hydride, because it's not central, it's not metal atom, so it's not we cannot say it complex. Now the next compound is it's cobalt isothiocyanate and pentamine chloride. I hope so you are giving the names along with me and going smoothly. So chlorine -2 and cobalt becomes +3. You all know that how it became +3, how it is actually +3. Amine, because we have to write the name alphabetically, so we'll be writing the amine first. It becomes pentamine. And then it is like isothiocyanate. It's not cyanide, it's cyanate, and it shows -1 charge. So then we'll be writing the central metal atom. Cobalt, it shows +3, so we have to write 3 in the brackets and chloride at last in the end. Now we come towards our fifth complex. It's basically it was like fourth one, and now we'll be writing the name of the fifth complex. The fifth one is very easy. It is potassium, it is iridium, and trioxalato. So now the oxidation states of the molecules and are like cobalt shows -6, and it's iridium, and its atomic number is 77. It's a metal atom, and it becomes potassium because we have to name the positive one at the very first, then we name the elements or molecules that are inside the bracket, the central metal atoms, and along with the ligand. We name ligand first, and then at last in the end we name the central metal atom. So it becomes trioxalato iridate 3. Now we come towards our last complex, and it is like sixth one, and it is potassium, silver, and cyano or cyanide. So it is +2, -2, and silver is 0. So we may write two names of this complex: potassium diacyanide, cyano, you may write it cyanide, and argentate 0 or silver 0. Basically we use argentate when there is a charge on the central metal atom, and we may write it silver here because it's completely having 0 charge on it. So these were the 6 complexes, and I hope so you gave the names smoothly and didn't feel very much difficulty while doing so. And with that being said, I'm signing off. So do practice these names as much as you can. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.